2011 Dodge Caravan 3.6 liter. No start is the symptom. 81K on this one. And this is basically what you get. No fuel pressure. Crank. Auto start will crank until it times out. You can see the tack is lifting up there a little bit. And it'll just crank until it times out. No fuel pressure. This is a common problem. It's been covered in other videos. I just wanted to do an update video. This is your TIPM right here, your fuse box. The fuel pump relay is sealed in this, and we're going to try and change it today. This is how you confirm it's bad. This 20 amp right here, 20 amp fuse. This is your fuel pump relay. You want to measure voltage. If the relay is not working, you will not get voltage here on crank or with the scan tool activating the fuel pump. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump from here to here through an amp meter. So we go here from positive to that lead of the fuse. With the fuse removed, we got 8.8 amps. That's the fuel pump current. This style module with the integrated relay soldered to the board is used in a whole variety of Chrysler vehicles, from Jeeps to trucks and everything in between. High failure rate of the fuel pump relay that's considered non-serviceable. Currently there's a Dorman rebuilt replacement for this. It's about $1,200 with a $300 core. So now that the fuel pump is running, this does not set a check engine light or any codes. Most people would suspect it being a bad fuel pump, but it's not. It's this relay. With the engine running and the B plus up at 14.5 or whatever it is from the alternator, fuel pump is using 10.8 amps. That's a nice thirsty fuel pump. Fuel pump relay controls. Okay, you listening? You hear a click? Let's see what toggle does. Is it clicking on and off? Yeah. You hear it like cycling? Got our box from DigiKey here. This should have the right relay in it. We have the module out. The first thing we're going to do is take a lot of good pictures of where all of these fuses and parts go, and then we're going to remove them all and take the thing apart, get to the circuit board on the inside. Okay, this is not the easiest thing to get apart. This is the fuel pump relay. This is the replacement. And this is the DigiKey number. I forget who makes this. Was this a Kimmett? I chose to break this up with a pair of dikes rather than try and desolder it, and now I'll take one lead out at a time. This is not the easiest thing to achieve, and I see one of them is not completely open. You sort of need a big iron to install this. I used a 50-watt iron.
videos again?
I am. I make video for my friend to see if it might do good work for me be special. Hey, here we go. Cool, now we get to see what accessories don't work. That is one complex apparatus.